Hello class 4. Welcome to your spelling class, children. So in the previous class we have done unscramble the words, and today we will do a very interesting thing that you all like, I know, isn't it? What we will do today? We will do word chain. You all love to play word chain? Yes, isn't it? So let us do word chain. I will give you the word and you will write 5 new words. Okay? And you will begin the word with the last letter of the previous word. That you know very well. You know the rules of playing word chain. So suppose, first of all, I am giving you one word. Suppose it is ant. A-N-T. Ant. Now what is the last alphabet of this word? Ant. T. Isn't it? Now you have to make a new word that begins with T. Is it clear? This way you have to write 5 more new words. Okay, and the same rule will be followed for each word. Is it clear? Suppose this is A-N-T, and now you will write a word, new word, that word must begin with the alphabet T, the last letter of the word. Clear? Let us do. Okay, fine. Say A-N-T, ant. Here I am giving a blank. So the new word that you will write should begin with what? T. So let us write. T means T-I-G-E-R. Okay, T for tiger. Clear? Now this is what is the last letter of tiger? R. This means the new letter, that the new word that you will start with is R. So with R you make a new word. I'm doing it for you now. Afterward I'll give you homework you have to do by yourself. Like this is R. Then you can write rat. R-A-T, rat. Again the last letter is what? T. This means again with T you have to write a word. So let us think first. Okay. To my mind it comes toy. T-O-Y. Toy. With T I can write T-O-Y, toy. Now what is the last alphabet letter of toy? Y. Then with Y you have to make another word. Okay. So let us make Y for yellow. Okay. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. So how many words we have formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more word I need. I told you, isn't it? So we have to write 5 new words. So again I'm writing down W. Now you have to write a word that begins with W. So let us write watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. So this way we can end here. Otherwise you can go on continuing. As many words you know you can write. But here in this class we'll stop after writing 5 new words. Okay, clear? Okay, done. Now number 2, I am again giving you a word pen. P-E-N, pen. Now pen, what is the last alphabet of pen? N. So with N you write a sentence. Suppose N for nose. Yes, N-O-S-E, nose. Then what is the last letter? E, isn't it? So E for eye. Again E. Then E for what? E for elephant. Yes, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now what is the last letter? T. T for tree. Okay. T-R-E-E. Tree. How many letters we have formed? 4 letters. Now, words. Now we have to make one more word. Give a comma with E. With E we can write 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Done? Yes. Now, number 3. Okay. Number 3 is boy. B-O-Y. Okay. See. B-O-Y. Boy. So the last letter ends with Y. Y for what can we write? Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Then the last letter is K. So K for kite. Yes. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Again comes E. E for error. E-R-R-O-R. Error. Okay. Error means what? Mistake. Okay. Then after again it ends with R. R for, give me a word. R for rose. Okay. Rose. Again it comes to E. E for egg. We can write egg. Okay. Write down E-G-G. Egg. Excuse me. E for egg. E-G-G. Egg. So this way we can continue. Okay. Now the fourth one. I'll give this one. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. So teeth ends with the alphabet H. So what can we write? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Again with N, what will write? N-E-C-K. Neck. Okay. Then again with K, make a new word. K. With K, what you have done? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Again with E, write down a word with E. Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Then with L, lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Okay. So what we have found that with the end of, this is how your vocabulary will enhance. We make this, we play this game, or we do this thing in the class so that to enhance the vocabulary part. Okay. So this is a part of your syllabus. So you will write all this in your CW copy and send it for correction, so that I can check and send it back to you. And side by side, what you have to do is you have to learn all the spellings of the new words, or these words you have already got in your previous classes, and maybe some words are new for you. So see the meaning and learn the spellings. Thank you.